So looking for Thomas Thomas toys on my garage. In one of those boxes I found 3 blue James. These are custom James Tomy. I think they are 2002. Yes. 202 blue James. I put let me show you. 3D printed battery covers for these models. You hear that? They snap, they are perfect fit. So I have one ready. I mean, there are 3. As always, check the link in the description. I have them for sale on my eBay store. Yeah, I forgot about these ones. I had them for a long time, and I just put them in a box. I think I'm gonna find more. I guess I'm gonna assume I'm gonna find more James customs or other customs. Yeah, so I no longer have use for this. Perfect, beautiful blue James. They require a C battery, not included, obviously.